Hello students, this is a tutorial on how to navigate the online health website. To begin, your teacher will be sending you the information for this website, so please make sure to check your Muskego Norway School District email. Once you have the link and you click on that link, the following homepage will appear. On the homepage, you will find a little welcome description, 3 helpful videos, and places to explore. Next up, in the upper left-hand corner, click on the 3 horizontal white lines and a menu bar will appear. The next page that we'll be navigating is the calendar and syllabus. I would highly recommend reading through this information, the class description, general information, summer school schedule, and then a calendar which outlines assignments to complete each and every day. Obviously, you do not need to stick to this calendar if you have other events or camps or vacations. You are more than welcome to complete assignments within 1 day or 2 days, whatever you need to do to make sure you get these assignments in on a weekly basis. Also, you will note the last 2 days of school are when final exams will take place. And just scooting up a little bit here, general information. Assignments will be posted in Google Classroom either late Sunday evening, early Monday morning. Assignments are due each Sunday at 11:59 p.m., except for the last week's assignments. If assignments are late, it's an automatic 1-point reduction. So note here, assignments are only worth 4 points. If you lose 1 point, you're down to a 75%. So I would, again, make sure to organize your time accordingly. There is a final exam. The final will take place online, and it is worth 100 points. The exam consists of multiple choice, true, false, and matching questions. And more information about the final exam will be provided via email by your teacher. Also, another item to note is 4th of July week. There is no school for students, so no new assignments will be provided during that week. With that being said, again, I would highly recommend printing off this calendar to help you stay on pace throughout the 5-week course. Next up, contact information. This is where you can find your teacher's contact information if they have not emailed you already, as well as the technology specialist and the principal information. Next up, Google Classroom. This is where you can find your section and your Google Classroom codes. And then we are heading into the different weeks 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if we head to week 1, you will note the first item up is indicating that you need to make a copy of any of the assignments that you open. And the process is laid out for you there. And then you can see the chapters provided, the lessons you need to read are provided. Assignment 1, 2, 3, 4 for this week. And then there is also a weekly review provided. I would highly recommend completing the weekly reviews, as the weekly reviews serve as a study guide for the final exam. But again, the weekly reviews are not mandatory. Again, not mandatory. So you do not need to complete them. I would just highly recommend completing the weekly reviews. And then in week 5, you will note same format as you go through each of the weeks, except in week 5, you can see a little bit about the final exam. Again, information about the final exam will be provided via email by your online health teacher. And that is how you navigate the online health website. If you have further questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to your online health teacher. We hope you have a great 5-week course. Thank you for your time. Bye now.